Hello, my sweet friend. I hope you're doing well today. So we have this lovely decorative box that we are going to use to store our to-go items for when we have a party at our home. And in that box, we will have to-go containers. So we'll have a small container, and then we will have a large container as well. And these are lovely because when you're having a party and your guests come to you and say, I want to take some food home, you don't have to frantically start looking for plates and spoons. Everything is in your decorative to-go box that you'll have sitting on the counter. And in that box, we will also have lovely napkins as well. And of course, we will have utensils, fork, knife, and a spoon. Now, keep in mind, all of these items were actually purchased at the Dollar Tree, with the exception of the decorative box that was purchased at Ross. I think it was $7.99 at Ross. But of course, you can find them at TJ Maxx as well. And also, we will include some aluminum foil as well, in case someone doesn't want to take a to-go container. They can just wrap it in foil. And then we will also supply our lovely guests with a to-go bag to put all of their items in. So this is a medium-sized bag from the Dollar Tree. And if you like, you can even buy a larger bag if you like, but we have the medium size, and then we have the small bag. Okay, so so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on decor as well. So I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless you, and do not ever give up before the miracle happens. Bye-bye.